This is blackened linseed oil. Good preservative. Real good preservative. I put it in the checking. It gives it a look of age as well. I have sanded it with 600 on the glossy surfaces. When I get done filling up this checking with linseed oil and it's good and sealed, I'm going to buff this with rotten stone. I think that's going to give me the same gloss as what I have on this forearm over here. I think that's my, according to me, professional opinion. The reason I'm putting this oil in the checking before I do the rubbing is I don't want that rotten stone to get in the checking first and then we have to try to clean it out. I just don't want to do that. One thing I forgot to do is put this hole in here for a sling mount. So I have to do that after the fact. I'm going to buy me one of them little gizmos that centers that up, but for right now I just guess at it. I drill a bigger hole that's about the outside diameter of the threads down in just a little bit, and then I drill a smaller hole down in there, because if you drill the smaller hole up at the top, sometimes you'll chip that. It'll flake away from it. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and assemble the rest of the gun, then I'm going to give it a good coat of wax. I'm going to leave this off until I get the wax on there. All these parts are clean. They just don't really look it. They're dry. And the reason I'm putting it together dry is because he's going to send it to an engraver, and they're going to take this thing all back apart. The only thing I'm going to oil, because I just will not put screws back in without putting a little bit of oil on the threads. I just don't put screws back in without a little bit of oil on the threads. It's just a drop, but it's enough to let that thing go in comfortably. This bad boy's got caulking indicators right here on top. When you break it down, those indicators pop up. This is like World War I era. And I think it's got extractors, which is also pretty snazzy for early 19-teens. So it locks up tight. It fires. The safety works. Off safety, both barrels fire. I really like this piece. This has been a difficult one to do, but it just made me realize how the craftsmanship that people had back in the day. In one of my former videos, I told the owner has run this thing down and found out that it is I can't even remember the name, Klingfelter, something like that. It was right before Herman and Klingfelter joined up, and I may be way off on the history of it, but this is Mr. Kling before Herman came along. Hopefully I've done it justice in this beautiful piece of metal in this firearm. I hope that I've done it justice with this piece of wood. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Well, thanks for choosing to spend your time here with me today. I hope you've enjoyed this program. I'll try to post a new segment each weekend. In addition, if you'd like to read about a stock that I made and then it took a 20-foot free fall, click on the link at the bottom of this page. It's called The Broken Gun. It's a story I wrote a few years ago about my two boys. Sometimes life's hard and things get broken. Now and then we get a chance to fix them. I'm so grateful for the opportunity I had to repair this broken stock. It led to a restoration that I never could have imagined. As always, if you like this video, please click the like button and share this with your friends. Have a great day.